This video will show you how to assemble Uline's downtown office L desks. This video walks through the assembly of a 60 by 60 inch gray downtown L desk in the right-hand configuration. While you may have a different size of the downtown office L desk, steps to assemble it are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Assemble on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Connect the support frame to the leg connector. Repeat steps for the remaining 3 leg connectors. Insert the adjustable glides into each leg. With a second person, set the main desk frame upright in the desired location. Connect the return support frames to the return leg connectors and insert adjustable glides into each return leg. Attach the assembled return frame to the main desk frame. Place the desktops over the assembled frame and attach using bolts. Attach the Modesty panel through the holes on the main desk frame. Insert cable grommets into the desktop. The downtown L desk is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.